Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty. I have two thredup bags that I want to fill up so I can get some more clothes, mostly thrift. Like well, except for this Quince shirt. This is a gift. My mom got me a gift card. But these pants are thrifted. And yeah, some of these clothes I'm just sick of looking at. And this closet is overflowing. I hate that the door comes in here instead of going out. So yeah, some of the stuff I've had forever. I am 33. I'm in that phase where I'm like, how are some of these shirts? I will almost have been out of high school for 16 years and I still have some of my shirts. Is that a flex? I don't know. So yeah, some of these clothes I'm just like, will never fit. My husband put my clothes away and I was trying to organize them because I'm not an organized person. I try, but yeah, some clothes I've accepted are not going to fit and they will never fit me again after having two kids. So yeah, I'm going to fill this up and then get some more spring clothes and summer clothes because we are going on a cruise. Actually, I want to get my jean jacket out since it'll be warm. I'm not putting my summer clothes out yet. Also, these Quince pants, I have gotten the little thingies off a couple times and these are going because these are driving me crazy and they come back. I don't know what the material is, but it's annoying. I've tried with these multiple times and I like the idea of them. I think they're the crepe pants, but no. So that's going in. We're decluttering my closet. So if you need motivation, here you go. These jeans, I don't know when they fit me, but they don't fit me now. These are thrifted. They were a 6. I was trying to sell these for a couple of sellers on Instagram, but they weren't interested in my clothes. I'm not cool enough. And most of my closet is thrifted. But do you ever have that where you're like, I'm sick of looking at my clothes? Like I've had these for too long. This is a extra small. I think I had this in high school. My dad brought over my clothes, some of them from high school. Why he's still keeping them, but he did. I don't think I'm ever gonna fit an extra small. I also realized I have a lot of black pants. What size are these? 8. They're kind of like a skinny. I prefer either a high rise or a mid. I feel like I'm kind of out of that era, even though I used to love my skinny jeans. I still have jeans from prior to having children. Some skirts for work. Again, mostly thrifted. I don't know where I got this, but I don't like super tight stuff. This is from Loft. I don't think I've ever worn it. And I think it's too, I don't think you can't see me, but I'm 5'7", and I don't like stuff super short, especially for work. Now you can't see me. Okay, you can see my closet. There's a mess. More trying to fix it by doing this. Yeah, I've had this since high school. Like this green top because of the back. I got this from Target, possibly prior to having kids. I don't remember who, what, where. Size small, mostly a medium. Oh, I don't like this shirt. I've worn this and I feel, I don't know, it's just kind of not a bad way old lady, but it's not my favorite. So we're gonna get rid of that. Make more closet space. I got this from Facet Fun and I've never worn it. And I don't know when I'm ever gonna wear it. Does anybody wear these for like cover ups and stuff? I thought I would wear it. It's supposed to be $100. It doesn't feel like it, but I don't know. Wearing a button up, and also I don't know. It's a little bright, little out there for me from Beach Riot. I mean, it's cute. It's just I haven't worn it. I've had it for like a year, so I'm not gonna wear it. Also, this dress is too short from Athletica. It's cute. It's just, do I wear it? No, because it's too short, and I didn't know it was too short. Hole in it, or I don't know. I never. Yeah, it has a little hole in it. I don't like it because it's too thin. Just I always say I'm gonna sew stuff and then I don't. Also, I'm one of those people. Pretty sure it's the same with this black one. It has a little cut that I'm not gonna fix it. A lot of my stuff is from Gap. Have I ever bought something from Gap? I don't think so. I don't like paying full price for basically anything. This, like, again, it's too short and I don't know. I feel weird just wearing leggings to work sometimes. That's the only. And I'll do another clean out when I put my summer clothes out, but I'm not doing that right now because they're all put away. There's this suit set in here that I have yet to wear, and I don't think I'm gonna wear it. This is going. Bought it for my job, and oh my god, it has stuff all over it. No, we're just gonna get rid of it. I don't really like pant style. So I thought I would wear it. I got it for like $8. I forgot it was like Jubilee Thrift. And I mean, it's really cute. It's just, again, I'm not going to wear it when it's collecting dust. I'd rather have something else in my closet that I will actually wear. This is way too short. That's going. I don't really like this flannel. A lot of these, again, I've had for years. I thought that these would fit, but they are too short. Fit this person. I also have some Rothy's that fit me prior to having kids. And then I don't know what happened. I did not have this experience with my first, but my second, I did. As if my feet weren't already wide enough, they got even wider after I had my second, and they do not fit me anymore. And I've tried. I really like them, but they don't fit. I just didn't need to get any wider. I have two of these, so thankfully. And I have a bunch of clothes here that in a bag that again I thrifted or gifted or I've had them for 100 years. This shirt, I think I've had this from Target, but it's just too tight. I think I'm on the boobs. I'm pretty blunt and open, by the way, if you caught that. My mom didn't want to wear this anymore, but it's just too wrinkly, and I'm too high maintenance first. I don't know where I got that or if I was gifted that. These pants, too wrinkly, as well as they got something on them. And then, yeah, overalls too short that I thrifted. Didn't know the measurements. This dress someone got me, thrifted, and it's too short on me. Pants and too short on me. I'm a regular, not a short. I'm not a long. Shirt I thought I would wear. Like I've worn it a couple times. It has pearls on it. It's cute, but I don't think it's a cute that I don't like on myself. Some velvet pants that are too big on me. I did lose a little weight. Pants are too big on me. Lost weight in like a good way, not that way. These shoes don't fit my mom anymore. These are or these did fit her. Sorry. These are the Vivaya, but they're a 36 and a half. They're a 6.5, and I am an 8. She only wore them like one time, or she didn't. Yeah, no, like I don't know if she did wear them because they were uncomfortable. I love mine. Again, a dress that's too small. Pants that are too small. I don't even know if this brand is still around. They were really weird sizes. I'm usually a medium in everything. Shirt I thrifted that I thought I would wear, but I don't really wear. It's almost like a men's button up. It's cute, again, cute, but doesn't fit. This is way too short. Like a little kid. Really seeing that my closet. Same thing with the pants. A couple of these. I hate this. This is again a lot of these are thrifted. This is from Everly, but I thought I'd wear. I think I've worn this dress maybe one time and saying I'm sorry, don't really like it. I never really like these pants. Same thing, pants. The zipper kind of crappy. Oh, this is a dress. I need to find the belt. Here it is. I thrifted this. I've worn it a couple times. It's just, I don't know. She threw in a belt. I got it from a thrifter on Instagram. These shorts, they're like Bermuda shorts. They're okay. Just kind of sick of them. I want to get some newer. I say new, I mean thrifted. I think I was, yeah, thrifted this. I, I don't know how I feel about bodysuits. Let me know how you feel. And then worn this a couple times. It's okay. Um, so yeah, fill up that whole bag. Well, these are gonna fill it up, but I have two full bags. Stuff. My closet, is it like clean? No, but it's a lot better than it was. I had like a huge trash bag over here. I still need to organize this better, but it's better than it was. I have summer clothes up there and under here. I like this, but I'm trying to be pretty cutthroat myself. I like this, but it's always kind of a pain to wear. Oh, I kind of forgot about that. That's just what happens sometimes when you're in your closet and you're like, oh, you forget about things. This is from Tommy Bahama. I like this, but again, do I wear leggings to work a lot? No. So, yeah, this is my closet after. Again, it's not perfect, but it's better than it was. And I'm gonna have to do this again, kind of spring and summer. Stuff I still want to keep, stuff I don't want to keep, and at least I have less stuff to put away when it is winter. Winter is done. I mean, today's the second day of spring, but the weather's kind of flip-flopping still. So yeah, this helps motivate. I like watching cleanouts and declutters. It helps motivate me. So hopefully this helped motivate you. Let me know if it did or if it didn't, if you just like watching this. But yeah, I'm pretty cutthroat. Something doesn't fit me. I don't think it's ever going to fit me. I don't like it anymore. I'm just sick of it. A lot of videos like this, fashion, clothes. I've done a couple try-ons, but I'm not the most fashionable person in the world. I work in an office and I like kind of plain clothes so that I can match a lot of stuff. And I'm all about comfort. I don't know if I'm considered average or I'm not. I don't know. Anyway, like mostly though, I post cruelty-free vegan beauty content, mostly makeup. And I'm trying to get more into fragrance. And my hair is wet, so I'm not a hair girly. If you like cruelty-free and vegan beauty content, mostly beauty, click subscribe, hype, and like, and I hope to see you in my next video.